Welcome back to CodeHop by CodeHS. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the additional lessons offered on our platform. The ones highlighted here are digital literacy, careers in CS, and physical computing. To explore all of our additional curriculum, you can use the All Lessons page. The filter options on the left allow you to find lessons by searching for different subjects, concepts, tools, and more. Let's take a look first at digital literacy. These are a wide variety of lessons that support students in learning how to use technology responsibly and expand their knowledge on how technology works, like input devices. Within digital literacy, there are lessons in key areas. First, we have lessons on digital citizenship that help teach responsible and ethical behavior in the digital world. These are focused on concepts like cyberbullying or digital footprints. Cybersecurity lessons are an opportunity for students to understand the importance of protecting devices and information. For example, Scout's Cybersecurity Adventure Part 1 for grades 3 through 5 walks students through cybersecurity scenarios and guides them in creating a poster with what they've learned. Our digital literacy lessons also include research-based curriculum. These offer students practice with finding, evaluating, and using credible sources, and include a coding integration for presenting research findings, like projects on informational programs or computer science innovators. Next, CodeHS Elementary offers various lessons around artificial intelligence. These lessons guide students in learning about the ever-changing world of AI. Kindergarten through 2nd grade can practice sorting with decision trees, while 3rd through 5th grade students can compare human versus machine performance on different tasks. The last example we'll look at for our digital literacy curriculum is our productivity software lessons. These are introductory lessons for upper elementary on tools like word processors and spreadsheets, offered for both Google and Microsoft. In addition to the All Lessons page, if you access our resources page from the left toolbar, you can find computer science roadmaps that suggest digital literacy lessons for each grade level. On this page, you can also find digital citizenship posters to help you reinforce key concepts visually in your classroom. CodeHS Elementary also offers a unique set of lessons we call Careers in CS. To find these lessons, try out the search tool at the top. These are ELA lessons that incorporate coding in the wild articles, which are real-world stories showing how professionals use computer science to make an impact. These lessons guide students in reading the article, followed by a related coding activity, just like the Scratch program seen here built around the health and fitness lesson. The complete list of our Coding in the Wild articles can be found on the resources page. Finally, CodeHS Elementary offers a wide variety of physical computing lessons to support you in bringing coding to life with robotics and interactive devices. You can find these lessons easily by using the Search by Tool filter. We offer lessons and guides for Makey, Microbit, Bbot, and more. The guides can be found on the resources page under Physical Computing and Robotics. These are short overviews that help you prepare for each device. With so many additional lessons to explore, CodeHop provides a variety of resources to support you in bringing computer science to life in your classroom.